Hello, in this video you're going to learn how to install WordPress locally. We're going to be doing that in this single video. Before we start this video, I would like to show you the things you need to install your WordPress locally. So first off, you need XAMPP. So you have to go to apachefriends.org and download XAMPP. And XAMPP is a local server we use to run our scripts locally. Okay, so this is XAMPP and this is the website you need to go to in order to download XAMPP. So you go here and download the latest version of XAMPP. Okay, once you have that downloaded, make sure you install it on your device. Okay, and after you install it on your device, go ahead and run XAMPP. Okay, so make sure you start your server, that's Apache and MySQL. Okay, so these are the two things you need to get this tutorial started. Once you have XAMPP installed and activated, go to wordpress.org. okay, so this is the link. So you go to wordpress.org and then go to get WordPress. So you click on get WordPress. Okay, wait for it, and here we are. And then you can scroll down and read more about it. Then this is the file we want to download. Download WordPress 5.9.3. so this is the version of WordPress we want to download. So you click on download and the file will be downloaded on our device. Okay, so let's wait for it. We have downloaded the file and here it is. Okay, go ahead and open it and make sure you extract this file. Okay, it's in a zip format, so you right click on it and go to extract files. So we do that, click on okay, let's wait for it. We have extracted the files. Okay, so let's locate the extracted file, search for WordPress, and here is it. Okay, let's copy. Okay, let's open it. When you double click on it, it will open, and this is the actual file. You can name it. Okay, you can name it. You can change the name of this file if you want to. Okay, so maybe in this video I don't want to change the name, so I'll copy it and go to where XAMPP is installed. So I'll go to local drive and go to XAMPP, go to htdocs, and then you make sure you paste it here. Okay, all right, I have it pasted already, so you just paste it here. After pasting it, the next thing we want to do is to go to XAMPP. Okay, so you go to XAMPP and then start your server and then go to MySQL, click on this menu, admin. Okay, just click on it. This is phpMyAdmin, and this is where your databases reside. Okay, so in a minute we'll come back, or later we'll come here to create our database. Okay, in order to connect to our WordPress. All right, but before that, just go back to your browser and type localhost and hit enter. Okay, so when you type localhost and hit enter, okay, it will list all your scripts inside your htdocs, and this is the WordPress document, the WordPress script we just extracted and pasted in that folder. Okay, let me show you. Okay, and here is it. You see, these are the files. All right, XAMPP, htdocs, All right, here is it. So just click on WordPress, click on your script, just click on it, and this is a setup wizard. Okay, welcome to WordPress, begin getting started. So it's asking us to create a database name, database username, password, database host, and table prefix. This is what the script needs to run. So first thing first, click on let's go, and here we are on the next page, and it's looking for the details or connection to the database. So we will go and create our database name, the database username, password, database host, and prefix. Okay, so let's do that right now. Okay, so this is your localhost php my admin. Okay, to get to this, you go to your example. You can go back to your example and click on just besides your MySQL, click on admin. Okay, when you click on this, it will take you to this page. All right, so we're going to create a database. So we click on new here, and you can see database name, enter WordPress. Okay, so you can enter your database name, name it whichever name you want to give to your database. You can enter that here and then click on create. Okay, and the database has been created with empty tables. You can see that. All right, just ignore this, ignore it, and go back to your setup wizard page. Okay, so the database name is WordPress. All right, and that's why we just name it. This is WordPress. Now the username, make sure you enter root here. Okay, so the default username is root. Okay, that's root, and the next one is password. You can leave the password empty. Okay, and database host, you can leave it as localhost, and the prefix you leave it as it is. Okay, so your database name will be WordPress, and that's the name we set here inside php my admin. Okay, your password will be root, sorry, the username will be root, password will be blank, database host will be, and you click on submit. So click on submit. Okay, click on run the installation. All right, and this is the usual WordPress setup page where you can enter your site title. Okay, so my site title, my username, this is what I'll be using to log into my WordPress dashboard. So username, and my password will be, this is what I want as my password, and I'll confirm weak password. Enter my random email here. Then once I have this done, I can click on install WordPress. You can leave this blank, just leave it as it is, because you are installing on a local machine. Stop worrying about indexing. Okay, and you click on install WordPress. Okay, and we'll wait for it. This will take some time to install, so let's wait for it. And here we go. This is a success message. WordPress has been installed. Thank you and enjoy. Okay, so username is admin, and your password, choose your chosen password. Okay, so click on login, and it's taking us to the login page. So you can enter admin and my password. Okay, let me see, and then login. And we are redirected to WordPress dashboard. Okay, you can see this is the URL, localhost WordPress WP admin. Okay, So that's it. That's how you install WordPress on your local PC. Okay, if you have questions, you can leave them in the description box. I will be more than happy to help you out. If you also need web hosting or other services, check the description of this video for more information. Thank you very much once again. Have a lovely learning experience. Bye bye.